Check, 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 check. What's up? What's up? What's up? All right. We're here. I'm going to get my Bitcoin chart up. Trying to get my Bitcoin chart up. Hold on one second. Oh, there we go. We got it. So I have a low time frame Bitcoin chart up. I'm kind of waiting to see if traditional markets bounce here and maybe we get a relief rally on Bitcoin, and maybe I'll take a day trade, a little scalp. So kind of interested in this low time frame consolidation. I mean, this is a 5-minute chart. Let's put it on the 15-minute. Yeah, still. I'm very interested here at the weekly open level and to see how NQ and ES react here, and maybe we get a little bounce. So if I took a day trade here, let's see if I can make it work without leverage. I don't really have enough capital. Unless we get a bigger breakout. Monday high. I don't know if I have enough capital without leverage. Maybe we paper trade it, or I do it in my demo account. So I would actually have it be more like this.
Sell.
And like this. Something like that. So I want to put it in the demo account. So let's check into my account first, though, and I'll put this trade on just for fun in the demo account. Distract me so I don't overtrade. So let's look at my 3commas portfolio. So this is just my Kraken portfolio that I'm trading publicly. We're down still right now, about total $460. I'm mostly just holding some positions in grid bots so that they're hedged long positions.
Sell.
Let's see down here. We can see my Bitcoin grid bot is what you see right now. It's almost back in the range. Not quite. Next sell is at 80,989. Let's see, ETH. We're definitely below the range in ETH, and if I got confident at some point, I would add to this position and or bring the range down and add that way. However, for now, I'm just waiting and I'm not adding to this. So I originally had this wider, but I closed it down because I didn't want it to rebuy. I wanted to wait to see what happens before buying anything lower on ETH. Instead, I added that to Bitcoin. And looking at the XRP, I haven't added to that either. So that's a very small position. And we're also still at the bottom of the range. So we did bounce out of it. We went below it, but now we bounced back in it. So XRP is actually kind of looking better than my ETH position. Tariffs were way bigger than anticipated. Okay, hold on. I might have to... I kind of want to look at NQ. Let's see. How we're bouncing. I'm going to...
Order filled.
I'm adding to a short. Right back at the bottom of IB of the initial balance of the New York Open session. I'm trying to hold like a swing position during the day.
Sell.
Thinking we continue lower here. I do want to see us break below 950. So that's my level in the sand, and we did test it. So, or line in sand. Yeah, that works. Whatever. Line in stone. I don't know what to call it. So that's my line. I want to see us break below it, but for now, we're below IB, so I'm going, that's what this trade is, break below initial balance. Bitcoin is pretty much doing the exact same thing. So Bitcoin, if we want to look at that initial balance setup, we can do that. You know what? I'll just put it on here. Hold on one second. There we go. See this?
Large buy.
Look at this. We tested initial balance perfectly, and we rejected it. So I can't really justify being long Bitcoin.
Sell. Sell. Large buy.
But someone is buying. Bitcoin did a really clean retest of IB. That's really surprising to see.
Sell.
And London too, it faked out, got below it.
Sell.
Wow, New York had a really good move above and now all the way back below. Comparing to NQ again. So we can go full screen actually, trading view. So comparing NQ, we never really got above IB on NQ, except Bitcoin did. And now Bitcoin's further below it. Interesting. I'm just paying attention kind of for the first time, really, the interaction of NQ and Bitcoin on a daily level. Not just NQ, but the traditional markets. The indices, at the least, ES, NQ. So what I'm looking at here is we're making a lower high,
Sell.
lower high, lower low, lower low. So I don't have any way to leverage right now. Short. But that would be my only Bitcoin trade. So pretty much what I'm trying to do is stay out of positions. Maybe I could do it on the demo account. Let's check out my smart trades, which we're not in any right now, right? Yeah, we're not in any trades. We already looked at the ones I was into. We already looked at those. The two L's, $53, $50, and the one at break even. So 3 trades. That's already all been journaled. That's all taken care of. Going back to my portfolio, we're pretty much right where we were yesterday. Let's look at my trading log. Let's see, where is it?
Sell.
I'm going to find my crypto trading log real quick.
Buy. Sell. Sell. Buy. Buy.
Sell.
My short is doing good in NQ.
Buy. Buy.
So I'm going to go to my crypto trade log and just journaling this.
Okay, I think that's unreasonable.
Whoa, what just happened?
At that point, people are just
YouTube started. Sorry about that. So for
Buy. Buy.
8:25. So I just love that I have journal entries from the day before on here. Even if it's just writing down my current exposure and my account balance, I am totally cool with that. My account balance has barely moved.
Sell.
And we can look at it on this daily thing. It's going down a little bit. So I'm going to put exposure. It's the same. 77%. And I mean, that is it. I'm not longing here. So let's see, is there anywhere I would want to potentially start looking for a long? I have this level already drawn out on my Bitcoin chart for the low time frame.
Sell.
76, pretty much. What else we got? I want to mark these IBs here. I wish it would show me all the previous ones. I need to try to adjust my indicator. Wow, NQ is really selling off. It's good because I'm short.
Sell.
Sell. Buy.
Let's see how Bitcoin's reacting. Bitcoin's breaking down too. Yep. So this short would have been nice. We're just breaking out. I didn't put it on the chart, but
Sell.
it'd be something like this.
Buy. Sell. Buy. Buy. Sell. Buy.
Sell. Buy. Sell.
Buy. 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 Sell. 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 Buy. Buy.
Something like that.
Sell. Sell.
Check, check, check. Okay, we're good. NQ broke below the 950 level. That was important to me. So yeah, I'm not taking any longs here. Where would I want to go long? Potentially, I already have an alert down here, guys, at 76,700. And then I have another alert down here at Monday's low at 74,500. I'm actually going to edit that one.
Sell.
I want to move it up a little bit. 74,600, just to alert me ahead of time. So that's it. I'm going to look for strength at those areas, see how the market is. Bitcoin's moving right now with the market, so I'm not adding to any of my positions. I'm not buying the dip or anything right now. I'm pretty much just trying to stay out of the way. I'd be interested in alts that look strong, so we could look at alts. Let's go through my list. Let's see what's outperforming. What's doing the best right now. AVAX? No. Litecoin. Okay. Word. Litecoin's holding strong. Oh, that's Litecoin BTC. I don't know what this is. Pyre. I forget.
Buy.
Some small caps. Link. Oh, that's Link BTC.
Buy.
Buy.
Maker. Man, I would maybe just short all. Yeah, there's Link. I mean, sorry, LTC. So not as good as I thought. Just holding up a little bit compared to Bitcoin, but yeah, coming down. Fartcoin, XRP. XRP is still above earlier price from today, above IB. Sui.
Sell.
I mean, I kind of would want to short something like this. Sui.
Buy.
Siri keeps thinking I'm talking to Siri
Buy.
when I say Sui.
Buy.
Buy.
Something like this.
Sell.
Buy.
I might take that. Arb. Tia. Floki. Crow.
Sell.
Peanut. Lido.
Sell.
Ooh, Lido looks rough. Man, I might short like Sui. Let's see Op. Op, that looks like a decent short. Sui looked clean. Yeah, I'm going to short Sui.
Sell.
Buy.
buy,
Buy.
buy, buy, sell, buy, sell,
Okay.
buy,
So my only idea is short. I want to wait. Let's go back to Bitcoin.
Sell. Sell. Buy.
buy,
Buy.
I would want to wait for more strength in the market or Bitcoin to make
Sell.
a lower time frame reversal for now on the higher time frame. Back on the daily chart, let's look at this.
sell,
Yeah, we're just still selling off on the daily chart. This overall downtrend is scary. We're testing the bottom of this box I have drawn here. So my next box is
Buy.
down here. And we have these highs. So 74,000
Sell.
and then 64,000, 65.
buy,
So back into this range down here. So that's really what I'm looking for right now. I want to set one more alert here. I already have one. Oh well, now I have two. I'm going to put Bitcoin key level, look for strength and in alts.
Buy.
Sweet. Well, that's really all I need to do. I don't need to do anything else. This chart looks crazy right now. I got to zoom in
Sell.
or maybe put it on the 4-hour.
buy,
Buy.
Man,
Buy.
NQ is really selling off. Yeah, it looks heavy. This looks heavy to me. All right, guys. Well, that's going to be it, really. Portfolio survives. Bitcoin, everything's selling off, but I'm hedging with my grid bot, so I'm good to go. I'm down 470 right now from my initial balance, and I'm holding some coins. I'm holding XRP, ETH, and Bitcoin, so I feel good about everything, and I'm just waiting for opportunity. If we come down lower to do some more like scalps, day trades, swing trades, I don't know what to call them, day trades, or otherwise to add to these positions I've opened on the grid bots. Sweet, so that's going to be it for my account update here, my progress report essentially. And I don't really have too much to journal. I put my exposure level. Nothing has changed since yesterday. So that's going to be it for today. All right, guys, take it easy. I'm going to, what's up, Corey? You're off to lunch, but wanted to hit my like. Oh, awesome. Thank you so much, Corey. I appreciate that a lot. I'm going to actually keep trading NQ as it's selling off. So I'm going to switch. I want to switch back to futures here. And I don't know, maybe I'll take a little break, come back for a power hour at least. And I'll be keeping my eye on Bitcoin as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. I will be seeing you soon, keeping this up to date daily. And so like and subscribe for further updates. And I will be seeing you soon. Thank you so much. All right. Peace out. See ya.